Now let's install the flame fixture. Then the clamping device comes with machine. Insert the screw front end from the back. Then screw on. Then it's installed. Tighten it with a wrench. Then the flame part. Flame cutting part. Electric disc. This short one is anti-silk. The reverse wire has a notched thread on it. This is reverse thread. And then the other toe is normal thread, which is oxygen. One is hot oxygen, one is cutting oxygen. What I assembled now is that it is not fixed. What about after you receive the goods? Put it to death, kill it with a wrench. Then this plug corresponds to theirs. Just plug it in. Then we'll install the torch. Red trachea, also anti-silk. Blue trachea, one for cutting oxygen, and artificial preheating of oxygen if the ignition. There is no ignite. Gas pressure too strong. Just swap the two blue holes. And now the flame is equipped. It's all packed.